welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to pause notification on Thread application. Now to do that, what you need to do is you need to open the Thread app first. Tap open the Thread application and then you need to get logged in into the account of yours. Once you are logged in into the account, you need to go to the profile of yours. Tap on profile on the bottom right, tap that. On the profile section, you need to tap on the two horizontal lines on the top right, tap that. And in the setting, you need to go and tap on notification. Tap on notification. There in the notification section, you will see pause all option on the top. You tap on the toggle moving it to the right side. This will give you this option. Pausing the notification will give you a break from Thread application, as you will not be able to receive any kind of notification from this application for the time period. The time period is 15 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour. You choose your time period for the amount of time you do not want to be notified from this application. I'm gonna go tap on 15 minutes and the setting will be saved. So this is a way how you can easily pause notification on Thread app. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.